How to add Paysera to Shopify. Here's some steps guide to adding Paysera as a payment method in Shopify. Go to Shopify admin and log in with your store credentials. From the Shopify dashboard, scroll down and click Settings in the bottom left corner. In the Settings menu, select Payments to view your payment provider options. Under the Payment Provider section, click Add Payment Methods and use the search bar to look for Paysera. Choose Paysera from the available providers and click Connect or Activate next to Paysera. A new window may prompt you to log in to your Paysera business account. From your Paysera account, copy your project ID, password, and other API credentials, return to Shopify, and paste the required Paysera API details. Click Save in Shopify to finish the integration. Place a small test order to confirm Paysera works correctly. Thanks for watching.